Stevie here, ASKACE platform founder. Welcome to this tour of the ASKACE University online course platform. What you're looking at here is the Building Initiative course. To get here, you could Google or type in the domain name directly, www.askace.com/build. The Building Initiative course is about using industrial waste to make small buildings. It is a course about leveraging yourself into a better position. What happens is you watch short, high-definition video lessons and complete your homework at the same time. There are two formats for completing homework in the ASKACE University platform. One is the interactive form with video, or there is a way to enter your details through the orange homework button on each page. The orange button leads you to a simplified layout where the video lesson is summarised into slides that you can click through and all of the questions sit in front of you at once. In the simplified homework area, your entries are displayed as stickies at the bottom. As you add more thoughts, the stickies show more. The idea is to click through each lesson, watch, think, get inspired and reflect. Write your ideas down. You may need help from others to get your thoughts out. There is no harm in asking your friends or even AI to get your plans written down. Make time to pause and reflect, but don't worry about writing the perfect answer. You can go back and write more later, or revisit your reflections more, then save your drawings, screenshots of your work, etc. In the Building Initiative course, there are 38 short high-production videos and 20 lessons. At the end of each module, you will see a book full of ideas. This is symbolic of a journal, where your reflections can be revisited together. There are 7 books in the course. At the end, you can organise everything with colourful stickies. Each module is colour-coded. What you need to do is be able to review and reflect on your own thinking, develop it further, then make strong choices about your direction and what you plan to do. ASKACE University has massive potential. We're working to solve issues that humanity faces in an empowering way. Behind the project, we have a strong design ethos, which provides a pathway for reaching new outcomes, solving real problems, and to improve your life and the life of your community. Our vision is to create the truth catalogue so you can be truly empowered in life. Each course will give you clues on how to walk in freedom, be healthy, vibrant, and well connected to others. How to do life offline.